Hello everybody, and today, after this long period without any video, we are going to see the OS library. The OS library is so important with dealing with directories and the thing related to operating system. So here's some information about it. OS is a built-in library, so you don't need to download it from external resources. And for importing this library, you just need to write this import keyword, then OS. Let's go now for the first function. The first function is getCwd. How to write it? It's just by writing here the library name, then dot, then getCwd, and open and close parentheses. And as you can see here, we don't have any parameter to this method. What does it do? It does get the current working directory, and let's check this out. Okay, as we saw, import OS, sorry. And here first, let's see my current directory I'm working in, and let's print os.get OS man getCwd. Okay, and as you can see, it's the same as here. For the second function, we have the Listdir. The Listdir is an important function of OS. You can put a pass, but it is optional. So what does it do? It lists the file and directories in the selected directory. And how you select the directory? By putting here the path of this directory. And if you did not pass anything, it will print the files and the directories of the current directory you are in. Let's check this out. Okay, first let's print the result of os.listdir without any path, so it will print all the files in this path or in this directory, which is scripts. And here you can see all the files. Okay, now let's try it on this directory. For example, we'll take the path from here and paste it here. You can see there's some mistake. You can solve it by putting just R before it, and when we go to print this, we'll get all of those guys. And for now, we have chdir, change directory, change working directory, as you can see, and the path is required. Let's see, and let's try to change the working directory. Okay, os.changedir, and we'll paste the path of this directory here. As you can see, when we run it, we'll not get any output, but when we want to make sure this work, we will print os.get current working directory. Okay, and when we want to print it, I'm very sorry, don't forget the parentheses like I did, and this is the path of this working directory. Okay, now we will see two important functions of this OS module. Makedir. It will make directory in the path with the chosen name. It takes two parameters, the path and the file name. So the file name, as you can see in red, so it's required, but you can leave the path empty, so the directory will be in the current directory. And we have here remove dir, and this function do the opposite of makedir and remove a directory from the path. You can leave it and it will remove it from the current directory. Let's try both function. Okay, after running this code, we are in this is our working directory, and we'll make os.mkdir. we don't need to pass the path, we just need here messy, for example, this is the name of our directory we want to make. If you want to run this, as you can see messy is here, and for the second one here you can see remove directory messy, and goodbye to messy. And for now we have this make dirs and remove dirs functions. So what's the difference between those and those ones? Okay, the difference is that with make dirs you can make nested directories in the path with chosen names. So instead of one directory created, you can create multiple directories inside each other. So now this name contains another directory which you can choose the name, and you can go on the same. You can do the same thing here with remove directory and remove multiple directories inside each other. Okay, os.makeDirs. The first directory I want to make is messy. As you saw previously, we use this symbol like slash or slash, I don't know, and inside it Ronaldo, for example, as you want. You can make more. I don't know why I'm using these words, but it's okay. So as you can see, there's messy, and if you enter messy you can find Ronaldo, and inside Ronaldo lol, and it's an empty folder. So now this make dirs, let's make it remove, and be careful now when using dirs, you write remove and make full word, not like we saw previously in mkdir and rmdir. Let's try this out, and boom, it disappears. And for the final function we have rename, and this rename is used for files and for directories or folders, and it's used, as you can see here, you put first parameter is the old name, then comma, then the new name you want to name your folder or your directory with. Let's try it out. Okay, now we have this folder right here, and we want to change the name of this folder. os.rename. Okay, what we want to rename is messy. Okay, remember here I don't put a path because I'm working in this directory, but if you're not, you just need to put the path before the name of your folder. What's the name of Ronaldo? Don't know how to. Oh man, sorry, I did not expect that. Sorry, my keyboard is too funny with those things. It gets angry when I write Ronaldo, so fuck you. Okay, and now when I did execute this code, you can see Ronaldo is here, the second one. Hi. And that was it for this video. I hope you are gaining some knowledge about Python and Python modules and libraries, and don't forget to screenshot this recap right here, and subscribe, like, dislike as you like. And I need some comments, man. I want to know what you think about these videos. Should I make another series? Should I change something in this channel? See you later. Goodbye.